What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to talk about a feature that HankoX recently added to their trading platform that is taking it to the next level. And now, because of that, HankoX is literally probably one of the best trading platforms out there right now. So let's dive into the video and let's show you why HankoX is probably one of the best platforms out there right now. So before I dive in, HankoX was already turning into this very likable platform with just nice, efficient charting systems, having all the tools available and what you need right at your fingertips, having it look very advanced and be transferable, across different devices. All these features has already made HankoX a very likable platform, but the one thing it was missing was the charting system showing your live trades. And now that this is in, it is an absolute game changer. And what do I mean by this? Well, as you can see here, I am in a trade up $52 in a sell on Euro USD. And as you can see, I have taken my sell right here and it is actually gone down right here. It even shows my TP. Now, here's the thing. HankoX never had this before and it was already a good platform. And now that it has this, it is taking it to the next level. There's literally nothing else that you need as a trader. So let's dive in exactly how we can trade with the live charting system, how we can modify our position, our take profit, all those different features. So let's dive into some trades and let's show you what is up. Okay, so let's say you are trading as well on Euro USD. Just to run over some quick, fast, and efficient features of this. If you want to just use charting system, if that's what you're familiar with, and you want to customize everything off of the visualness of the chart, it's very simple to do. So let's say you wanted to take a buy when price breaks above this candle or this wick here. All you simply have to do is come over here, click this, and we do buy stop. Literally as simple as that. Now it has us in for a 0.1 lot size. You can come over to the side, adjust it, make it bigger, make it smaller. You can go to advanced options, add a stop loss, or more importantly, you can literally just click add a stop loss and just place it exactly where you want. So when price comes up here, it buys, automatically has our stop loss. We want to take profit. Let's say we want to take a profit above that candle there. It's literally as simple as that. This is why this platform is becoming revolutionary and it's becoming one of the greatest platforms out there. It has everything you need as a trader. It has got one-click trading. If you come over here, we have one-click trading available to us. Any pair that we can access, we can instantly be in a trade, whether it's a sell, whether it's a buy. We can adjust our stop loss and our take profit and be in a trade fast and efficiently. In a world where a lot of trades are moving fast, a lot of technical analysis is moving fast, especially on the lower time frames, you want to have an efficient system, and HankoX is becoming that. Especially now with their charting system, which is something I like to use myself. I like to be able to, I'm a very visual person, so I like to be able to place my stop losses where I want, my take profits where I want, place my entries exactly where I want without having to, think about the numbers and write down exactly or memorize exactly where I want to place it. It's very easy to do it visually. And that's what makes HankoX such a great platform. They're constantly getting better and upgrading to that next level. And I think this step up was such a big step up. It's going to make your trading way more efficient, especially for your visual traders out there. Okay, so let's do an example here. So we're already in a sell for Euro USD, but let's say we wanted to take another sell. We can go ahead here and we're going to do a nice sell stop right there, add a stop loss. Say we go above here and then add a take profit right there. Let's just do a nice little one-to-one sort of thing there. And all we do is click place sell order. We are in. So now, as you can see over here, we've got a sell for a 0.1 lot size at this line. So if this dotted line comes down and touches into that, we're going to be in the trade and we are going to be looking for our next. We are going to be sitting pretty for that one. Okay, now while we wait for this trade to play out, the next improvement that Hankotrade has made is they've made their platform even more efficient. A nice little feature that we can use is if you come down to the bottom right hand side here, they have a close all tab. So let's say you wanted to close all your trades at once. You can either close all your trades, You can close all your trades that are in profit, or you can close all your trades that are in losses. So I think that's a pretty cool advanced feature that Hankotrade offers. You know, a lot of platforms out there, you have to do a lot of the things manually, but HankoX is making things efficiently by creating a nice automated system like that. Now, another great thing is once you're in a trade, you can actually see everything that's going on. You know, you can see the exact amount of profit that you're at. You can see exactly what position you take, and you can even move it if you want. So if you want to move it around, have it somewhere more easier to see, that's something you can do as well. You can see exactly where you entered, where you're at, how much profit you're up. All these little features are going to make the trading experience just a whole lot easier than having to kind of look around and fumble through, try to figure out where everything is. Everything on HankoX is very intuitive and very easy to read. Now, when it comes to the charting system itself as well, and actually doing technical analysis on the chart, everything is very easy as well. If you'd like to add lines, just come up here to the draw section. This is going to have all the tools that you can use for your charting. You know, you have your average line here, pretty easy to delete it. If you want to draw a rectangle, draw a rectangle. If you want a heart, you can draw a heart. I don't even know why you'd want a heart, but maybe you want to say that you like that trade. If you want a Fibonacci zone, you can add a Fibonacci zone. Everything that any other platform would normally offer, Hankotrade is going to have it as well. Here is a Fibonacci. You can even make it go sideways if you wanted to. Now for indicators, if you want to add indicators, it's pretty simple. You come up here to studies, and this is where it's going to have all your kind of common indicators. They're going to be called studies here, but I like to use the MACD, so it's pretty easy to add. As you can see right here, it's just one click and it's in. So yeah, the charting system is already very efficient, smooth, very intuitive. And then to add this live charting and trading experience to it is just bringing it to the next level. So let's say you're not even getting it in your trade and it's taking forever like it is now. We can even go ahead, you can click on it and adjust everything. So we can move this up to be right here, and then we can modify the order. Actually here, we're getting an order where it is too close to the market price. So that is actually giving us some helpful information on why we can't get into that. So we moved it a little bit closer. Let's see if we can move it even a little closer. Yes, it will allow us to move it. So we can constantly just adjust this as much as we'd like. All right, I zoomed in just a little bit closer to see if we can even get a little bit closer on that one. Okay, so we ended up getting in the trade right here. As you can see, it shows our live profit here and loss. So we're up for a loss right now for $3, but this is just simply an example. I didn't do any actual analysis on this trade. But yeah, as you can see, we have our two take profits now that we're in 2 trades, and we have our 1 stop loss for this sell. But yeah, hopefully that covers the new features of HankoX, and I'd highly recommend trying this out. It's a great platform, especially now with this live chart trading. You're gonna love it. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.